Chevy truck wheel bearing hub trick / hack. Let's get in here and check it out. Cateye Chevrolet. This is a 2006 Chevy Silverado 1500. So we're gonna come over to the driver's side wheel right here. And then, of course, we have another wheel hub right up here, too. So, you know, passenger side, driver's side, same style wheel bearing hub assemblies. These tips will work on these trucks. All right, so I'm doing a brake job, and I want to show y'all a trick real quick. I do this. I don't know if anyone else does this. Y'all can let me know in the comments below. But these wheel hubs, they go bad, right? Grr, 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 grr. So when I do a brake job, sometimes, you know, if it's a customer's vehicle, swap it out, obviously. On your own vehicle, you can get in here and take the wheel speed sensor out, and there's a little hole right there. You can see I already got some grease in there. So on my grease gun, I have this little needle fitting right here. You know, just comes off of a grease gun. And you can stick it in there with some Lucas Red and Tacky like that. And you can squirt a little bit of fresh grease in there and then spin it around. Not too much, you don't want to blow out the seals or whatever. Spin it around, and I can already feel in here it's quieter, just like that. And then you can come back, put your wheel speed sensor back in, get it all cleaned up, of course, some brake cleaner, but reinstall that wheel speed sensor, and it should quiet it down and help prolong the life of the hub. So technically, you know, you're supposed to swap it out. I mean, if it's making noise, you know, grumbling, bearings are probably bad. It's probably been dry for a while, but if you're just doing regular maintenance, you can top it off with a little bit of grease, and it helps. Now, if this thing's slopping all over the place, up, down, left, and right, you got to swap it out. If it's just noisy, I've done this, and this lasted 50,000 miles more, you know, whatever, 30,000 miles, quiets it down. No problems. There you go, we got the wheel speed sensor reinstalled right in there. So here's the back right here. This is normally where they blow out that seal. You know, you gotta swap it out. This one really needs to be replaced out. I mean, it's just a tip. You don't have to do it, but if you wanna buy you some time, should get you by. The whole idea is to do this before it gets blown out like that and worn out. All right, there we go, hub's back on. It's spinning freer now, spinning much better. Just dragging on the new brakes there. You know, it'll get you some time, buy you some time, but technically you should replace it. Either way, it's doing better. I'll run it like this for a while. If it goes bad on me, I'll just swap it out. That's it for the video. Let me know down below what y'all think. You ever done this? I know a lot of y'all have done this and no one talks about it, but here you go. Let me know what you think. Drop me a huge thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more Chevy truck tip videos in the future. Later.